Welcome back to another video. I just came up to this article. I saw this on social media, and I was reading this article, and I was just pretty much curious of what it was gonna say. And according to this, Stanley Black & Decker is coming back to America. That's what that's what this article is all about. You guys could read it yourself. You guys could go to AmericanManufacturing.org. This is the website here. It says Alliance for American Manufacturing, Made in America. Pretty much what we have here says Made in your city. Stanley Black & Decker reshoring more production in Craftsman tools by Elizabeth Brothers Bunch. Friday, May 2019. So this is a few months old article, but it is from this year. And I guess we have a picture here of Craftsman employees. This is Made in America, for good for business. Here, Alliance with American Manufacturing, we get asked a lot of questions about where to find specific American-made products, and nothing people seem to ask more than tools. So yeah, it says, well, we got some good news. Stanley Black & Decker has announced this week that it's moving production of Craftsman wrenches and ratchets, sockets, and more back to the United States from China. The company will break ground on 425,000 square foot facility in Fort Worth, Texas. If you guys haven't been to Fort Worth, Texas, it's a real nice town. Anyways, this summer and factory is set to be up running by late 2020. So this pretty much by next year they're planning on having this factory in Fort Worth, Texas, fully operated or operational. So definitely they will make up for the low labor cost from China, using robots and machines basically, so they can pump out and kick out as much production as they could for the dollar in China. Made rebranding of the ironic Craftsman line. Yeah, definitely. Craftsman. To me, Craftsman. I grew up Craftsman. Basically, I grew up as a kid, going to Sears as a kid, and buying a tool. My father used to take us as kids, and pretty much that was one of our places where we wanted to go, because we were raised Craftsmen. Usually Sears, that's where we used to go and buy tools, and that's how we got to know the good quality tools made in USA. So now that they're back, I guess it's I believe Stanley Black & Decker wants to bring that back. They just want to bring the American tool back. It says in 2017, Stanley Black & Decker bought Craftsman from struggling retailer Sears, which had offshored production of tools in China. Sears made terrible decisions and pretty much ended up just going, losing a lot of money. And especially with Craftsman tools, they took out the production from here and took it back to China and I believe Mexico. It says right there. It says Mexico right here. So they took it back there, and they expected everybody to keep buying the tools, but somehow the quality of the tool wasn't the same as the one manufactured here in the U.S. So people started noticing that, and I guess they saw a drop in Craftsman tools and other decisions that Sears made. Not just that, but Sears made other decisions, and pretty much ended up in a lot of stores closing, and they had to sell Craftsman to Stanley Black & Decker basically. So if you guys want to read this, you guys could. I'm not gonna read all of it, obviously, because this video will be super boring. This will be the more ideal. Let's see if I can highlight it here. This would be the most ideal for, I believe, for Craftsman or Stanley Black and Decker. Have a line made in the USA, have another line made in the somewhere else. Obviously, having the made in the USA as in top of the line, the best tool. Maybe pay a little bit more, but it's made in the USA. You're getting quality there. So Stanley Black and Decker operates about 30 manufacturing facilities in the United States. Power tools, North Carolina. Tool chest and rolling cabinets in Missouri. Tape measures, Connecticut. Utility knives in South Carolina. Yeah, definitely looking forward to all these tools. Me personally, I will be doing some reviews on these newer tools. I will be looking out for them. And let me know what you think. I just wanted to make this video, let you guys know what's going on with Craftsman, Stanley Black and Decker. Let me know what you think. Would you still buy Craftsman, or would you not buy Craftsman anymore? Did you move from Craftsman to another brand? There's so many brands out there that they are well worth. Actually a lot better than what Craftsman is or was before. But yeah, definitely let me know in the comments what you think about this. Did you move out of Craftsman? Did you move to another brand, another tool brand? Let me know in the comments. Alright, that's just a video I just wanted to make for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.